Hello guys, welcome back to my content guys. In this video, I want to show you how to photocopy paper back and forth using the IR6x5005i photocopier. Before we start, we first check if there is still paper in the machine. There is still a lot of paper in the photocopier. So now, we can start photocopying two sides of the paper. Let's use this already existing example to try a double-sided photocopy. First, we have to put the paper in the area marked with A4's paper size. To set it up, click on the option for two-sided, then click on the top option in the first column. The second option is to copy the paper reciprocally through the top of the machine, rather than through the usual. For the first option, we put the paper here. Then we click OK. Well, we're gonna try a two-sheet copy for a trial. And we close the engine from above. Next, we click on the green button to start copying it. To make a carbon copy, you need to flip the paper over and place another sheet underneath, so you can copy onto the other side. How to turn the paper can be followed as in the video. Then we press the copy button once more. We scanned both sides of the paper using a photocopier, so now you can immediately start the process of copying the paper. There is the first result. Let's see whether it's good or not. Let's lift the cover of this copier. Then we compare the results of the copy with the first example. You can see for yourself, guys, the results are quite satisfying and good. Click the start button once again to continue the remaining copy. Finally finished? Please enjoy the content of this content, hopefully useful, ya friends.